So there is significant evidence that suggests a recession is inevitable, and I've been talking about recession a lot on this channel. In fact, most of the world's leading economists now believe that the only question is when. During a recession, many people lose their jobs, their earnings drop, and their earning power diminishes. You may maintain your financial stability by taking part in some profitable side hustles. If you lose your job or see a significant decrease in salary, having a couple of recession-proof side hustles will guarantee that you have regular and reliable sources of income to fall back on. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 10 side hustles you can earn income from this period. My name is Dimma Ututu and I'm a content creator here on YouTube, and I mostly talk about personal finance and self-development. If that sounds interesting to you, do well to subscribe, and if you end up enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. Now let's get into the video. So a side job, also informally called a side hustle or side gig, is an additional job that a person takes in addition to their primary job in order to supplement their income. Side jobs may be done out of necessity or when one's income from their main job is insufficient to support them, or simply out of a desire to earn more income. A very simple explanation from Wikipedia. Those are not my words. So here are 10 side hustles that I think you might, take a look at them and see which one suits or works best for you, or if you know anyone who might benefit from them. So the first one on the list is virtual bookkeeper. A bookkeeper is essential to the success of any small business. They arrange and keep track of a company's revenue and spending, freeing up the company's owner to focus on operating the firm in a way that plays to their strength. To work as a bookkeeper, you do not need to have previous experience working as an accountant. Bookkeepers who are skilled enough to manage many customers at once and create a reasonable revenue for themselves while working from home may do so, all thanks to the fact that practically all financial information now can be monitored online. A part-time bookkeeper who works 10 hours per week may bring in an additional 10,000 per year with only maybe 3 or 4 customers. Being skilled with numbers is advantageous for this particular one. The second one on our list is to become a local tour guide. Do you have a deep appreciation for the place where you were born or raised or where you live, and do you want to share this feeling with others? There's a need for locally knowledgeable tour guides in a variety of tourist destinations all over the world. Offering free walking tours is one of the most creative ways to do this. How are you going to earn money off this? Some people might ask. Well, there is a company called Guru Walk, which is a free walking tour company. You can choose to be one of the tour guides there. And as a city guide with Guru Walk, your job is to lead visitors on free tours of the city. And if they end up having a good time, you may return whatever tips they give you at the end of the tour. So let's assume you have 10 visitors, and at the end of the hour-long tour, they each give you maybe a $5 tips. That ultimately comes down to a cost of $50 per hour. Alternatively, you may also want to try the Airbnb experiences platform to sell one-of-a-kind vacation experience. If you want to go big, maybe take it to the next level, you can choose to start your own company and give people amazing experiences and charge them very little for it. This brings me to the third one, which is YouTube. Yes, I know a lot of people will be like, YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Making videos for YouTube is a good way to make extra money on the side each month. You may vlog your daily life, produce response to questions in form of videos, or record educational films like this one to share with the world. The good thing is that it gives you an avenue to make money from different sources, such as what we call YouTube AdSense, which is when creators like me get a portion of the advertising that shows on our channel. But this requires you meeting requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Other ways you can also earn on YouTube in case you don't meet these requirements is maybe paid collaboration, sponsorships, and from affiliate links, selling products or services. So if you're looking for a way to express yourself creatively while also building an audience and making potential money, try making videos and posting them on social media like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. All these websites pay, even Facebook. So this brings me to our fourth list, which is volume photography, or photography in general. It is not uncommon for those who are skilled with cameras to utilize their talents to supplement their income by photographing weddings or advertising campaigns. So if you need to shoot a large number of individuals in one go, you can maybe go for a school district yearbook or during an event. Volume photography may be an option worth exploring. Making money with minimum investment in equipment is possible with volume photography or even just taking pictures in general. But the administrative burden of sorting through so many images may rapidly become unbearable. So this might only benefit people who enjoy this as a hobby. There is a website called Shutterstock, and we also have Photo Day. They are mobile apps that you streamline and improve the business side of photography. They pay you for your pictures, and you can also collect money from taking people's pictures. You may want to check them out. According to a professional photographer and also a Photo Day user, I think his name is Robin Johnson. I don't know if I butchered that name, but he said that the tool helps professionals reduce post-production turnaround time from weeks to days. So I think if you're into photography, when you enjoy it as a hobby, you can check out these websites. This brings me to my fifth one, which is virtual assistant. As more and more people across the world have access to internet, it is possible to do a growing number of jobs without ever having to meet people in person. I mean, I haven't even met some of my colleagues. So because of this, there is a significant increase in the need for virtual assistants, also known as online personal assistants. These individuals assist company owners with tedious labor that the owners themselves are unable to do. What types of jobs are there, you may ask? We have maybe imputing of data, social media management, including formatting and editing, internet-based research, email management, graphic design, booking travels, the list goes on. So a personal virtual assistant helps simplify life by freeing up time for owners to concentrate on the tasks that the employer is most qualified to do. So from my research, earning potentials for virtual assistants ranges from $15 to $35 per hour, and it can even go beyond that depending on who you're working for or the company you're working for. This brings me to my next one, which is sell a physical product. Daily, millions of individuals make purchases from online retailers like Amazon, their go-to stores, or local shop they discovered on Facebook. The US Consensus Bureau, they projected the online market $870 billion in sales in 2021. Guys, it is a good idea to create and market the solution you wish existed if you have strong interest in a certain field or are determined to address a particular issue. Create a web shop to begin selling items online and increasing your monthly income. All of your products do not need to be brand new. Putting your maybe lightly used stuff up for sale on social media, eBay, or Facebook marketplace groups is a great side business that may help you earn extra money and also clear up space at home, which I see as a win-win. This brings us to the next one, which is services on Fiverr. Guys, a lot of people are sleeping on Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where you sell your skills, your services, whatever services you have that you can deliver to people, and you can also get services from there. So if you have a very specialized skill set to offer clients that have a specific needs, which may include graphic design, scripting of videos, writing, editing, voiceover, you name it, Fiverr may be a great place to start your freelance business off the ground. On Fiverr, the terms of services are determined by independent contractors, and you sell your abilities only through an internet platform. An appealing idea for many people is the opportunity to work from any location you want and on your terms and your schedule as well, which also works for you. So you pick a time you want to work and how long you think you're going to take to provide that particular service. Now this brings me to the eighth one, which is transcribe and caption videos. In the last years, the popularity of videos has skyrocketed on the internet. YouTube is by far the second most popular website on the internet. Facebook comes as the number 3 with a massive video platform as well. So creators of videos are aware that converting their audio to text may increase the visibility of their uploads on the internet. So as a result of this, the high number of individuals who view videos without sound, Subtitles are of critical significance. So there are a few businesses that are dedicated to offering this particular service. And if you're a quick typist, you may be able to earn some additional money by transcribing what other people are saying in these videos for them. The salary is around $10 or more an hour, depending on who you're working for. This brings me to the 9th one, which is teach something. Anything, cooking, tutorials, makeup classes, editing classes, the list is beyond. Are you excellent at something, maybe cooking? Have you ever given any consideration to, instructing people on how to do things? I'm still going to use cooking for example. You may make some additional money by instructing children, adults, retirees, or even spouses who have no idea how to cook a simple healthy dinner. This can provide an additional income for you. A woman that I think I read the story, a John Pinkington, I can't pronounce the name, was instructing her children on the art of cooking. As the word spread, other parents brought their children and paid her to watch her do that. She saw it as an opportunity and she relocated her lessons to a community center in the area and then launched a thriving company as a result, cooking. So see how you can teach someone something that you already are an expert in and see how you can make money from it. It could be anything, guys. Anything. Don't limit yourself. This brings me to the 10th one, which is last but not the least, promote other brands. Affiliate marketing is a good option if you're short on time and energy but yet interested in starting a side business. Affiliates advertise their preferred goods and services by providing links to them or coupon codes for discounts. You've seen affiliate marketing in the purest form if you've ever listened to a podcast or a radio or anything and you heard the presenter announce a discount code during a commercial break. That's affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing commissions may be fixed at the beginning of an agreement or it can be set to renew every month, but this depends on the specifics of the arrangement with the company or whoever. One of the finest ways to get additional money every month doesn't even need you to physically deliver anything. For promoting affiliate links, you can start up with Amazon affiliate marketing by creating a storefront, get links to products you think other people are searching for, and share them on your socials or even your blog. When they use your link, you make extra money from that without them spending more money on that product. You can make further researches on all of these things that I have listed because Google is your friend. Let me know in the comment section which one stood out the most to you or other side hustles you think I or other people should be aware of. That's all I have for you for today's video and thanks for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up and also share it to people you think might benefit from it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the subscribe button. It helps me grow. And I will see you in my next video. If you have any video in mind you think I should create, please leave it in the comment section as I watch and read all your comments and I'll be sure to make those videos for you. Until next time, bye guys!